10 Best Foods to Repair the Gallbladder. The gallbladder plays a vital role in fat digestion by storing and releasing bile. Keeping it healthy is essential for smooth digestion and overall wellness. If you are looking for natural ways to support gallbladder function, here are the best foods to repair the gallbladder and promote long-term digestive health. 1. Artichokes. Packed with cynurin, artichokes help stimulate bile flow, easing fat digestion. Enjoy them grilled or steamed. 2. Turmeric. Curcumin in turmeric reduces inflammation and supports gallbladder repair. Add it to curries, teas, or soups. 3. Beetroot. Rich in antioxidants and betaine, beets aid gallbladder detoxification. Perfect for juices and salads. 4. Dandelion greens. These bitter greens encourage bile production. Lightly sauté or add to salads. 5. Salmon. Salmon's omega-3s reduce inflammation, helping ease gallbladder stress. Best baked or grilled. 6. Lemon. Citric acid in lemons helps dissolve gallstones. Drink lemon water daily for cleansing support. 7. Olive oil. Cold-pressed olive oil improves bile flow and keeps the gallbladder lubricated. Use in dressings or light cooking. 8. Quinoa. This gluten-free grain provides vitamins and minerals that nourish gallbladder health. Swap it for white rice. 9. Radishes. Radishes stimulate bile production and improve gallbladder movement. Eat raw for best results. 10. Apples. Apples regulate cholesterol levels, reducing gallstone risk. Enjoy whole or in snacks. Supporting your gallbladder with nutrient-rich foods is a natural and effective approach to better digestion. Incorporating these best foods to repair the gallbladder into your daily meals can help prevent issues, promote bile flow, and maintain long-term digestive wellness. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.